different types of countries and what they're good at. South Africa. If you come to South Africa, bruh, just know that you're gonna learn how to do amapiano, bruh. You're gonna know how to cook. When I'm saying cook, dancing. Bruh, you're gonna be one of the best dancers here in SA, bruh. Amapiano. Bro, I'm telling you, bruh. Kumba, kumba. Zimbabwean people are good at working, bro. They're hard workers. But they're also good at talking, bruh. If you walk past a Zimbabwean person and you talk to them, just know that grab a seat, sit down, take a food, make popcorn, and then you sit down. It's like watching a movie, bruh. They talk a lot. They talk way too much, bruh. Nigerian people, bruh, they will teach you how to make money. Don't get me wrong, illegally. But anyways, bro, those people, bruh, they will scave you on like this, bruh. Just scave you on like this, bruh. But they also get angry very quick, bro. Then you get Congolese. Bro, Congolese people is very talented with making hair, cutting hair. Yo, but don't get me wrong, bruh. Don't get me wrong, bruh. Those people like eating, bro. They love eating, bro. Then you get Malawis, bruh. Since the minute they born, all the way to the minute they die, bruh. They loyal workers. They stay at the same job for more than years, bruh. And then, the negative part of them is that they short, bro. They short. Like, even if you take a bag, you can put them in your pocket. Even in your bag, bruh. You can steal them.